Guys, I'm like really feeling these fake tattoos with this makeup look, with this hair. Like, I feel like I am that bitch. Like, I feel like that bitch is me. Comment down below.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have like, I don't even know what to call this. I kind of wanted to call it Lil Baby. I was supposed to have like a do-rag on with it, which you guys saw in the video, but I ended up taking it off because I didn't like it with the look. But this is just like what a cute little look, and I was just like, hey, what would I look like with tattoos? If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have saw my little poll on like would I look better with tattoos or would I look good with tattoos. So yeah, I just bought these fake tattoos from Amazon, and I had help putting them on with my girlfriend, and then I just kind of like shaded them with black makeup, black eyeshadow technically, but yeah.
Okay, you guys. So as you guys know, I already moisturized with my Eucerin lotion. I use that as a moisturizer, and then I just took my Smashbox photo finishing primer, whatever, basically just like blurs your face, and I put that all over my face. Now I take my pore filler from NYX, and I literally only put that like under my eyes, on my nose, and like if there's any left, I'll put it on my forehead, like in between my eyebrows, basically just where my pores are the largest. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, do some brows, use my Kat Von D concealer. This is so old, the name is like gone, to prime my eyes. And then I'm gonna use this brown from the Juvia's Place. I think that's the Masquerade palette. Take this flat brush, do it up, make my eyelids look brown. I'm just gonna take this brush. It's kind of like a medium fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out as much as possible. Now I'm attempting to cut the crease with that same Kat Von D concealer. And guys, this is like the third time I tried this look. Like, it was a struggle, but we're gonna struggle together. I'm sorry that in the majority of the video I'm halfway in the frame, but I was really trying. I just was not paying attention clearly, but I really like the look, so I just wanted you guys to see how I got it. So now I'm just going to take my beauty blender, and I'm just like patting it ever so lightly just so I can get any excess concealer off, just because you don't want it to be wet when you're putting powder on top. It's just going to move around. I learned that the second time I attempted this look. And now I'm just taking that same color from the Juvia's Place, and I'm just making it darker around there. Now I'm just taking, my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the red one, and hiding my mustache, taking my my skin, luminous skin type situations that make me look brown and melanin popping, and I'm just taking that with a stipple brush, and I'm just patting that in. And now I'm gonna take my NARS. I think this is the Luminous foundation. I'll put everything down below. You guys know that already. But I'm gonna take that with my stipple, pat it in, and then I'm gonna take a little bit with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in a little bit with my beauty blender just to make sure that it's all blended in seamlessly. Take my L'Oreal Pro Concealer, and I'm using that to contour my face. This is my new like kind of contour routine. Let me know if you want an in-depth explanation on how I'm doing this, but I kind of like the way that it's been looking. It looks really natural, and it doesn't feel like I have a lot on, and it doesn't look cakey either. I'm just contouring my face with that, and all my chubby areas, all my big girl areas, and I'm just blending that out. Now I'm just gonna take my concealer and put some of that on, and I'm taking a smidge of the same Kat Von D that I used earlier, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner so it could be kind of bright. You guys know, if you have watched my makeup tutorials for a while, I don't usually put concealer on my forehead. Like, I'm very bipolar with it. Like, sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, but whatever. I'm dusting my setting powder all over the concealed areas, and then I'm taking my skin powder and I'm just gonna dust that over my contoured areas. And then I'm just gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then I'm gonna use a brown liquid lipstick as a liner, put a little bit of YSL in the center, and some lip gloss. You guys know I'm not usually a fan of lip gloss, but for whatever reason I was feeling it for this look. Feeling it. Comment down below if you were too.
Put my reaction in there.
So yeah, this is just what the whole look looks like. Hope you guys liked it. I will leave everything in the description bar down below as per usual. Seriously. As per usual. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else or you like videos like this.